It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So would you keep on going?
Hi there everyone, welcome back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for joining me. So today I've got two things that I want to tell you before I get started on the painting. So the first thing is I have decided on this video that I am going back to basics. I'm going right back to where I started my painting adventure, my painting journey. So the second thing, I have been double dared to make an intro for this video as cheesy as I possibly can. The problem is, I'm not sure I can do cheesy, but then I started worrying that maybe I always do cheesy, I just don't realise it. Oh my goodness. So, they didn't say anything about doing, you know, sort of sounds, but I'm going to do them anyway. So, here we go. Right, so I'm lost where I was. Am I being cheesy or dramatic? Is dramatic being cheesy and cheesy being dramatic? So guys, let me know if I make cheesiness. Let me know down in the comments below how cheesy I got and give me marks out of 10. But don't forget to tell me that you like my painting as well. So if you haven't subscribed for my channel, why not? It literally doesn't cost you anything. Seriously. And also, if you do that, you know, subscribe, it keeps the YouTube algorithm fed and it doesn't get angry and throw a wobbly and tell me that I've had 1,000 views for a painting when I haven't. And it's so destroying. So let's get on. Oh my God, I'm going to regret this. What do we need to start? I need a canvas. Guys, I'm going to be using a 12 by 24 DecoArt narrow edge canvas. So it's 12 by 24 inches. If you want it in centimetres, it's 30.5 by 61 centimetres. But you know, I use old. I need some paint. Let's get the paint. So I have picked Royal and Langnickle Deep Cobalt Violet. I've also picked DecoArt Hooker's Green. There's a story behind this Hooker's Green. If you want to know what it is, ask me down below. I've also got a Pebeo Studio Acrylic Metallic Copper. Love this colour, really vibrant, holds its vibrancy, but it can be a little bullish. I'm just telling you. I'm also using DecoArt Glorious Gold. And yes, I am going to use my new toy, which no, I didn't have when I first started way back when, because I didn't know about it. But, you know, things evolve. I've evolved. My paintings have evolved. They're really bad now. Before, they were just bad. I've improved. I'm using the Winsor Newton Galleria. It is the iridescent medium, and I mix it really, really thin. So, my weapon of choice, what's that going to be? The humble hairdryer. So, I'm going to go down, I'm going to mix these paints, get it all ready, get the canvas ready. I'll meet you down on the canvas. See you in a minute. Was that cheesy? Did I do cheesy? I'm sure I did cheesy. I actually wonder if they think somebody else is in the studio with me. Nobody's here. I'm here on my own. I'm just like...
It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So would you keep on going? I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I'll drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no destination. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.